coughing for a long time. I thought it could be because of cold weather. Later, it became impossible to tolerate. Then I visited the doctor and I used the medicines. Again, second time visited, I used the medicines, but it didn't go. So I was so upset, I didn't know what to do. So, as a last resort, I visited the doctor. What else I could do? Suddenly, I got an idea, and next day, I implemented that idea, and my cough had gone. So, who is the culprit in this story? The paste. So, I stopped using the paste, and my cough had gone.